Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I am coming to you with a unit from Arabella hair. We're gonna do a half up half down hairstyle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will have this wig linked in the description box below, so let's get into it. So this is the bag the unit came in, a typical bag with their logo on it. It as well had another little bag that had the elastic band, the edge brush, a little clip, as well as some lashes, and then of course the wig cap. So the unit I'll be using for this hairstyle today is their new highlight gold sand transparent 13x4 frontal lace wig in the style body wave and in the inches of 26, and it is as well 180% density. The cap size is average. It doesn't give you a size to choose from. As well, it doesn't have any combs in the inside of this unit at all. Anywho, so now I'm going to tint my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red from my local beauty supply store. I did not bleach the knots as well. It already came pre-bleached, or at least that's what it looked like, because it just looked like bleach was peeking through. But if you want to go ahead and bleach it, go right ahead. The only thing I did was pluck it. But yeah, I'm just getting my wig situated now. Again, this unit does not come with combs in the back, so I did struggle just a tad bit to get it over my braids. I'm used to just sticking that comb in and securing it, so it does take a little bit of getting used to, but I'm not mad at it because them combs do be hurting my head. But anywho, child, so now I'm just going to glue my lace down, or not. First of all, I'm going to cut the ear tabs. We need to cut ear tabs, so that's what I'm going to do first, and then we'll glue her down. And by the way, y'all, while I'm sitting up here struggling to see if my sides and stuff, everything is even, the lace is soft. The lace is so soft, and this hair is soup, girl. The hair is just extra soft, y'all. I thought I should just say that. I did not wash this unit, so this is just straight out of the pack. Again, all I did was pluck it, and that was it. But out of the pack, this hair is soft. So now I'm gluing her down using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry her in. Now that we are all glued down, I'm going to go in and begin cutting the lace, and I'm just doing some jagged cuts just so it's not straight across my head. So as you can see, my lace is a little ashy, so we're gonna go in and tint the lace one more time, this time using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just gonna take that powder and place it all along my hairline. After I get it to my liking, I'm gonna go back in and repeat those same steps of gluing her down just so we can melt it in the skin. So now for the fun part, we are about to start creating the look. First, I'm gonna start off by doing the sides, parting the sides in like this slant or whatever, because of course we want that little slanted ponytail. Girl, I couldn't even think what I was about to say. Anywho, child, this little slant, these little slant things or whatever, these slanted parts took forever because you want it to be symmetrical, and mine's, of course, in the end they look symmetrical, but they're really not. If you have a good eye, you'll probably be able to do it with ease, but me, sis, I was struggling. It just seemed like one side was a little bit more slanted than the other. I don't know. In the end, it still turned out cute, so yeah. But y'all see how one side has a little bit more parting space than the other side? That's really what I was struggling with. Don't worry, we gonna fix that. It's gonna look right in the end. But yeah, now I'm just going in with my wax stick, and I'm gonna place that wax along the parting space just so we can get everything flat and just like smoothed out and get the hair out of the way. And really all that wax did was just make me realize that my parts were still unstraight. So again, we struggled with the parts. So now that I got everything straightened and the hair pretty much sectioned off and out of the way, all the flyaways and stuff, I'm going to officially like section them off and tie them back together so we can work on the top. So now I'm going to make my part or whatever, and then we're just gonna start braiding. I probably should have made it a little bit bigger because, girl, these nails and then trying to braid this little small braid, yeah, was another struggle of mine. But I mean, I did it. It wasn't the tightest braid, but I mean, it's just gonna have to do, you know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, girl. I do recommend braiding a little further down just in case it unravels. You have some wiggle room, just because I do not recommend putting any rubber bands on the ends. I mean, you can if you want to, but I just wanted my look to be seamless, so I just braided it a little towards the end, just a little bit. Well, not the end, but you know, you can see where I stopped at. Anyways, child, so I'm doing the next side, and we're gonna pretty much do the same thing. So now that we're done with the 2 braids, we're going to begin forming this ponytail. To do my ponytail, I'll be using my wax stick to act as like a little gel because we want that slick look. I'm as well going to use my hot comb. Again, we want it to be slick. And then I'm going to go in with my brush it. Like we're going to be doing a whole bunch to try to get it together. I think I sprayed some Got to Be Glue Free spray. If not now, then later on, just to have that ultra slicked look. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like we want it to be sleek and cute. So now that we got that ponytail sleek and looking cute, we're going to begin with the sides. I want to like trim the sides just a little bit so we can put it behind our ear. Right now I'm just combing it out and just really gauging the amount of hair that I'm going to cut. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. And then we're gonna cut it just a tad bit. And when I say a tad, like honey, I did not want to cut it too short, so I did start long first, because girl, you can always get shorter. Start long first and then just gauge it from there and start swooping it. So girl, I took so long, my camera died. So yes, I did go get cute. Anyways, as you can see, I curled it on the sides, and then to swoop it, I'll be using some mousse. And again, y'all, I'm just gonna swoop it, and then I'll start trimming it just a little bit as time goes on, because yeah, I just did not want to mess it up. So now that the swoops are done, I'm going to start with the ponytail and grab that little piece so we can have a seamless ponytail. Even though when I wrapped it around to make it seamless, it still barely covered up my thick rubber band. But I mean, it just is what it is. It's an illusion. It kind of looks like it was covered, but then up close, I don't know. Anyways, it was fine. It was fine with me, okay? So I just hit it with that Got to Be Glue Free spray, and then I grabbed my little flat iron just to seal it in. Y'all, if y'all want to take another little piece to cover it up, you can. But again, I wasn't really tripping about it. I mean, it is what it is. We were still cute. So now we're going to take our little curling iron and just start making some curl. I believe that this curling iron is maybe 1 inch or 1.5 inches. If you want to do small curls, do small curls, but I kind of like these little big curls or whatever. And I did not use any holding spray. I did not use any serum. I'm not sure why, because normally I do, but yeah, I just didn't. Maybe I was being lazy and didn't want to get up to get the serum, but I definitely did not spray any holding spray in my hair whatsoever, and the curls stayed. Surprisingly, the curls loosened up just a little bit, but for the most part they stayed. Girl, and this is what we turned out looking like. Like, honey, sis, you cannot tell me nothing. Like, I think I did such a good job, especially because this is my first time doing like a hairstyle onto a wig. I normally just keep it real basic and cute. And girl, we slayed this. Now you can see my lace a little bit. I did off camera go in and try to tweak it a little bit, add some alcohol and all that good stuff, and it still was showing just a little bit, which I was surprised because again the lace was very soft in the beginning and it was getting melted. So maybe that's just on me. I'm gonna continue to try to work with it. In the meantime, I do like this unit. The hair quality is soft. I'll have her linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, sis. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, girl.